Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable feature testing on Netflix. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Netflix frequently tests new features and designs on a small number of users before rolling them out to everyone. The company has testing like a skip intro button or a mobile data saver feature weeks or months before anyone else get them. If you want to be among users that get to try new features, so here's in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Netflix. You can log in into your account using mobile apps or on the website. Here's I'm using Netflix website on my laptop. After that, you can go to settings. You can click on your profile on the upper right corner here. Now you can choose on account. From here, you can go to security. Click on security. From security, you can just scroll down and choose on feature testing. There is an option feature testing. So if your feature testing is disabled like this, you can just turn on by click on the toggle here. So this turn participate in tests to help improve Netflix experience and see potential changes before they are available to all members. So you can just enable it so you will get uh, earlier features on your Netflix. After that, then click on done. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable feature testing on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.